Hi children, welcome to Commander Group of Schools Math class. So before going today's class, let us recall what we learnt in earlier class. So what we discussed in last class? Division of fractions. So how to divide two fractions or one whole number, one fraction given, how to divide both. So whole number we can written as fraction, that is suppose 4 given, 4 by 1. Again second fraction we will take reciprocal, then middle into symbol, correct or not, into symbol. Suppose both fractions given, first fraction we will write as it is, second we will take reciprocal, that correct. Suppose both mixed fractions given, then what is the process? First we will convert into improper, then middle as usual division symbol. After conversion we will take into symbol, first fraction as it is into reciprocal. So what is a reciprocal? Any two non-zero numbers whose product is 1, any two non-zero numbers whose product is 1 is called a reciprocal. So again in this decimal, in this divisions, so one word problem also we discussed that. So coming to second chapter, second part, in these three parts are there. First one, so fractions, in these fractions we completed successfully that multiplication, addition and subtractions. So coming to second part, decimal numbers. So today we will discuss about decimal numbers or fractional decimal. So what is a decimal number or what is a fractional decimal? What is a fractional decimal? Fractions having denominator as 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. Fractions denominators 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. we will call as decimal, the fractional decimals. So in these decimals we will discuss how to add and how to subtract, and multiplication and divisions are given, and how to conversions also there, conversions into centi to meters, meters to kilometers, kilo to meter, meters to centi, rupees to paisas, paisas to rupees, and comparison, which is greater, which is smaller. Again place values are given in this topic. So now in this decimal numbers, one see that in this suppose this is a decimal number. In this decimal number, here point right side, this is decimal part. Point left side, this part is called integral part. What is this? Integral part. So left side part integral. This is right side, decimal right side part. This is decimal part. So this number having two parts. Every decimal number having two parts. One is integral part, another one decimal part. Clear this one? Now in this place values, this is units place or ones place, units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place, like that. Decimal right side, this is this one, tenth place, TENTHS, tenths. that is 1 by 10. This is hundredth place. This is thousandth place. 10,000th place, like that. This is 1 by 10. This is 1 by 100. This one 1 by 1000. This one 1 by 10,000. So coming to left side, unit. Unit is nothing but 1. So this is 1. This is 10. This one 100. This one 1000, like that. So left side unit. Unit is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, like that we will take this side, integral part. In this decimal part, 1 by 10, 1 by 10, that is, what 1 by 10 means, what is place? 10th place, 10th, T-E-N-T-H, 10th place means 1 by 10. 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, 1 by 10,000, like that we will take in decimal numbers. See, once you observe in this table, so now only we discussed place values, units, tens, 100. Units means 1, tens, 10, hundreds, 100, like that. So here 10th, T-E-N-T-H, that is 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. So now once you observe here, unit to tens, this is hundreds. So after we will keep decimal point. Then remaining numbers we will write that 8 to 5. So how to write the number, this one? 549.825. 549.8. This is decimal, after we are writing that decimal number 825. Don't read this is 825. Decimal after we will read in individual, that is 825. 825. So like that, how to write this one? Once is that up to here 782, we will read like this side. After 782.193. So that is the 782. 782.193. So once observe next one, already number given, this number given. So we know this is units place, this is tens place, this one hundreds place. So units place, what are the units? You write that 7, here 8, then 4. So here 6, 3, so already given that. So units means decimal left side number, we are writing that decimal left side. So what are the numbers here? Decimal units place 8. So 7 given, here no need, or we can leave it this place, don't write any number. So here 9, 3, 7. So next one, what is given? See here 701, decimal write 7 here, 7, 0 already given, 1, then 3 here, 2, 1. So like that, number given time, how to fill these blanks? Already given, hundreds place, tens place, units place, tenth place. Then they will ask number. So like that we will fill the table that. Now clear this decimal left side part, what we call, and right side part is decimal part, this is integral part. So every decimal number has two parts, decimal part and integral part. How to expand decimal numbers, that is expanded form of decimal numbers. We know place values. So according to place values, we will expand the decimal numbers. So, for example, see question is 30.807 given. 30.807. So for that, easy purpose, first you draw a table that arrange the numbers 8 to 07. Decimal number 8 to 07. Decimal right side. Remaining numbers 30. Left side you arrange that. So now we know this is units place, that is 1. This is tens place, 10. Here tenth. Tenth is nothing but 1 by 10. 1 by 10. 1 by 100. 1 by 1000. So write that here. 1. Here 10. So 1 by 10. So decimal, starting decimal, right side first one is 1 by 10. That is 10th place. 10th place. Hundredths, that is 1 by 100. This is 1 by 100. 1 by 1000. Now easily we will multiply that. So 3 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 8 into 1 by 10 plus 0 into 1 by 100 plus 7 into 1 by 1000. So without table also we can write our wish that one. So you know properly you do that one. But table method easy that. So that's why I prepared table that. Whatever method you follow that one. So now 3 into 10. 3 into 10 plus next 0 into 1 plus 8 into 1 by 10 this. Next 0 into 1 by 100 plus 7 into 1 by 1000. Now we know 3 into 10, 30. Write that, 30 plus 0 into 1, 0 plus here. These two will multiply that 8 into 1, 8, 8 by 10. 8 by 10 plus 0 by 100. So direct also we can write that. 0 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. 7 by 1000. That is expanded form. So this step onwards we can write table, our which tabular method, or direct this first step then second step. So suppose in question this one given. They ask for this one time in exam that. So this is 30. Here anything not there. 30 decimal point here 30.807. So this is given. In question they given. They ask a number. What is the number? So we can write easily 30.807. So coming to next question, once see that here decimal left side what are the numbers? Observe ones, tens, 100, 1000. So here 1, 10, 100, 1000. Now this is tenth. 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. So write that 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. So now as usual we will multiply that. 8 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 0 into 1. So write that one. 8 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 7 into 10, 0 into 1. Now 7 into 1 by 10, 0 into 1 by 100, 5 into 1 by 1000. So now 8 into 1000, 8000, we know that, write that 8000 plus 3 into 100, 300 plus 7 into 10, 70 plus 0 into anything, 0, 0. So now 7 by 10, then 0 by 100, this one. Last one 5 by 100. Sorry, 5 by 1000. So that is expanded form. So first you prepare table easy that this is units 1, 10, 100, 1000. 8 into 1000 plus 3 into 100, 7 into 10, 0 into 1, like that we will expanded form. Suppose this one given, they ask for number. So here 8, 3, 7, 0. 8370.705. So we can write the number. So they given expanded form already. So from that we will write the number. So in exam they will ask two methods that. In our textbook, last year in question paper, what they asked, first two questions asked expanded form, remaining two questions they given expanded form like this. Like this they given two questions. They ask a number. So then we will write this number as it is. From that question we will write the number. So that is expanded form of decimal numbers. How to add two decimal numbers or how to subtract two decimal numbers. So first the decimal numbers we will arrange that. Decimal points comes under the decimal point only. First we will write first decimal number. Second decimal number we will arrange decimal number down should come that. So what is given question C? 0.25, 0.25, 5.30, 5.30. So what is the sign middle? Plus given. So then what we have to do? Addition. So we are adding these two. So 5 plus 0, 5. So decimal point to decimal point. So while writing the question, decimal points come should under this decimal points only. Okay, na? Like that you will arrange that. Suppose three numbers are given, three numbers also we will arrange like this only. All decimal points here. Then what is the integral part? This numbers you arrange here. That side decimal number you arrange that side. So 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. So keep a decimal point as it is. 5 plus 0, 5. So what is the result? 5.55 is the answer. So coming to second question, this is a subtraction. 29.75 minus they given. That's why that is subtraction. So first arrange that numbers like this. 29.75, 25.97. So we are doing subtraction that. So once you see that what is the last number 5, here 7. So this is greater number compared to this number. So we will take borrow here onwards. Then this becomes 15, correct? 15. 15 minus 7 you subtract that. So 8, correct? 8. So then write 8. So now we took here onwards one number here, one borrow that. Then this becomes 6 now. 6 so 9. So now also this is smaller number, this is bigger number. Then we will here onwards we will take one borrow that. Then it becomes 16. Already one number we taken here. That's why it becomes 16 now. 16 minus 9 you do that. So 9 onwards you go that. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here one borrow we taken, remaining 8. 8 minus 5, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. So 0 no need that. So decimal left side 0 no need. Right side we will write that 0. So what is the answer? 3.78. See, find means what is the middle sign you observe that. Add or this is subtraction. Suppose here into given, that is multiplication. Multiplication we will discuss later. First addition, subtraction. So coming to exercise 5, first question, which is greater given that, which is greater. So first to see this 0.7, 0.07. First convert into like decimals. How to convert like decimals? So 0.7 given, 7 after you take 0. 0.70 here, 0.07. Once see here 0, 0 first. So both are same. So come to here. Decimal right side first digit to compare that. Here what is the number? 7. Here 0. So which is greater? 7 is greater. So this number is greater. 0.7 is greater than 0.07. So once you see here, both are like decimals only. One see 1.47, 1.57. 1 is same. 1 is same. So decimal next number you compare that. What is the number? 4 here. Then here 5. Then in these two numbers we compare that. Which is greater? 4 or 5? 5 is the greater. So this number is greater. 1.51 is greater than 1.47 or 1.51 1.51 is greater, or also we can write or 1.51 is greater. So we can write like that also. So next number, next question C1, 7. So how to convert this? 7 means 7.0 or correct, 7 means 7.0, 8.5. Now see once here decimal left side see first. What is the number here? 7. Here 8. So simply we can say that 8.5 is greater. 8.5 is greater. Now here this is 6 given. This can be written as 6.00 or so now 0 point they given 0.66. Now see. So what is first decimal left side we will compare. first left side. What is the number here? 6. Here 0. So which is greater? This number is greater. That is 6 is greater. Six is greater. Like that we will compare that. So first convert into like decimals that. Then we can easily say that which is greater. That given 2 numbers or 3 numbers given or 4 numbers given. Suppose 4 decimal numbers given. They asked arrange in ascending order. Then we will ascending. We know what is ascending, small to big. So the decimal numbers we will convert into like decimals. Then easily we can compare that. 4 or 5 decimals given question. So then easily we can compare that. We will arrange ascending order or descending order. Also we can arrange descending. Descending is nothing but big to small. So here only 2 numbers are given. That easily we can identify that which is greater. Suppose 4 or 5 decimal numbers given. Question is arrange the following decimals in ascending order or in descent. In CCA pattern, not asking from our textbook question as it is. That's why I am telling that. Suppose 3 or 4 decimals are given. First that decimals convert into like decimals. Like this we convert that. Then easily you can identify which is greater, which is smaller. Suppose ascending order asked that, we will write small to big. Then we will take less than symbol, ascending type, middle, or comma also we can write our wish. Suppose descending order they asked, then big to small we will arrange the decimal numbers. That. So that is which is greater. Coming to next topic, that is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. Correct or not? 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. 1 meter 100 centimeters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter 10 millimeters. In scale we will observe that 1 centimeter. Small, how many small lines will be between 1 and 2? 10 small lines are there. So 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter 10 millimeters. Correct or not? 1 meter how many centimeters? 1 meter 100 centimeters. 1 kilometer 1000 meters. 1 kilometer 1000 meters. Now meters to kilo, 1 meter is 1 kilometer 1000 meters. Suppose meters to kilo. Question. Listen that. Meters to kilo. 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000 kilometers. Don't confuse that. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. Correct? 1 kilometer 1000 meters. So question I am asking, 1 meter equal to how many kilometers? Then 1 by 1000 kilometers. 1 meter how many centimeters? We know that 1 meter 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meters. 1 by 100 meters. 1 centimeter how many millimeters? 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter 10 millimeters. So question is 1 millimeter equals to 1 by 10 centimeters. 1 by 10 centimeters. So big to small. Big means 1 kilometer. How many meters? 1000 meters. 1 meter. How many centimeters? 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter. How many millimeters? 10 millimeters. That is big to small. Small to big means division that. 1 meter, 1 by 1000 kilometers. Correct or not? 1 centimeter, 1 by 100 meters. 1 millimeter, 1 by 10 centimeters. So, small to big means we will divide that. Small to big. We will dividing that. So, this is conversions that. So, this topic how to convert centi to meter, meters to kilo, or kilo to meter, meters to centi, rupees to paisas, paisas to rupees. Again place values that 3 is in which place. Suppose one decimal number given, 7 is in which place, that is in 10th place or 100th place or units place. These questions we will discuss on next class. That so this is today's class. We will meet on next class.